Hi, we are picking up part 2 of our virtual skills. So, I am finishing up creating a discussion. Tell me one thing you would like to change about your school that you feel would enhance the educational experience for most of the students. I'm going to say 1, post 2, reply to at least 2 students. How about reply to, at least 2 students in support of their ideas, how you think it would help, and an example how you think that will help, or reply with an explanation why you disagree. Thank you, Grammarly. Let's go check on this. Define how you want the students to respond. Number of responses, length, prompt only, or to other responses. I'll just go back and say to at least 2 sentences. At least 2 sentences per reply. Remember, at least 2 separate replies. Awesome. Create. Bum 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 bum. That's cool. Added to my materials. Let's go check it out. Explain how it would be graded. Guess I should go back and put that in my directions. I like to put that at the top. We'll say 12 points. Ow. Mm. 16 points. Mm-hmm. 8 points. And then here, 4 points per reply. Sure. I know they can do more than one. That's fine. It's just good for them. Student choice, student voice. Boom. Go to a second collaborative tool and show that. I thought this was pretty cool. I like the idea of Kahoot, them as a group of 4 making a fun Kahoot, because I like them building the distractor answers. And since they know it's going to be potentially played by the class, it kind of ups their publishing effort. And I saw that you could import a spreadsheet. So my directions would, I downloaded that, imported into my Google folder. So I would, up here, just add materials, kind of show a a page with directions on what to do. Kahoot quiz. Number 1, pick a team leader. Number 2, that team leader. Down. Open the Kahoot directions and then rename and share that with the rest of your members via Google Drive. So the Kahoot directions here is the template that they're going to have. That's this thing over here. It's pretty cool. They get to build it in here. So, yeah. Okay. So this is what I want them to do. So they'll get that and they'll have to make a copy. And then share that copy with the rest, everything via Google Drive. Number 3, create questions. I'll say create 3 questions each based on the chapter we just read. Review each other's questions and proofread them. Yeah, so they're gonna make a Kahoot. The team leader then shares the completed Kahoot with Mr. Curtis. How they'd get me that link would be, I would make an assignment. I should really just make this an assignment. Let me just make this. Cut. Cancel. Add materials and assignment. So they can turn in that way. So, Kahoot quiz. Kahoot group project. You know, just go in there. Doesn't have to be that. Nope. Doesn't have to be that. Anyways, make a due date, pick a category, yada yada yada. Cool. So ungraded. No, not ungraded. Can I do a blank one? Nope, can't do that. Guess we'll do ungraded. In my other one, I set up a classwork just category. All right, but that's one way. I like where they create things together. I've done where they do a Google slide. There's a team leader that makes a Google Slides and then shares that out with the other team members, and they're each responsible for 3 slides. That's how I can see it being virtual. In the classroom, it's just different. I have them make stuff. Another way I'm thinking of doing it is having one team leader make a Google Hangout, and they each answered questions. Well, they each took notes on a particular article from Newsela, and then they come together as a Google Hangout and all read their answers to those, and then at the end they create a meme together and explain just kind of in their own words why it's funny, like what's particular about it. But it's a meme having to do with that chapter they just read, be it maybe the Protestant Reformation or the invention of the printing press. So then that team leader again makes a slide, shares it with me, and then also shares the link to the Google Hangout that they recorded. I've looked into them just being able to record. I hope that they have access to Google Hangout through the Google Suite. I don't know. I'll talk to Jeff or Daniel about that soon. I got about 4 minutes left, so I'm going to see what else I got. Okay, here's my video. I can show it to you, or I can just put a link down here, because the next thing is my student voice. Yeah, I can't play it on my computer because it said it didn't do computer audio. So, yeah, it's not going to do it, but I could play it on here. This is Ryan Curtis doing a little video about student voice and choice. And I think it's very important. One of the adages I go by as a teacher is whoever is doing the talking is doing most of the learning. And yeah, I try to get the students talking in the classroom in this blended learning that we're going to do. Last AMI chunk, I had the students utilize Flipgrid a lot. I could tell that their work was a lot more thought out than if it was just something where I was the audience, where they were just answering questions from a reading passage. I think when they have an audience, more than just the teacher, most students up their refinement process because they know they're going to be viewed, and they are just excited to see other people's videos and react to them. So I get more work. I think it's important too to prepare them for the workplace, and that they're going to be viewed by their peers and by other people, so they need to get familiar with that. I'm glad at 9th grade that they have plenty of skills already able to use a lot of those programs that we have in order to get their choice and their voice. I think it's important to give them choice too, and maybe different forms of how they could complete the objective. Just because there's different learning styles, there's different learning preferences, and when I give them more choice, I often get more high caliber of engagement. And so, yeah, student choice and voice. All right. Thanks, y'all. Have a good day. Yeah.